effect of all the VectorVest parameters working together. These parameters are designed to help investors buy safe, undervalued stocks, rising in price. Value at current price. $1.71 current value. $0.81 INPX has a current value of 81 cents per share, compared to a price of $1.71 per share. This stock is currently overvalued. Value is computed from forecasted earnings per share, forecasted earnings growth, profitability, interest, and inflation rates. Upside potential. Relative value RVPOORRV is an indicator of long-term price appreciation potential. INPX has an RV of 0.55, which is poor on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. This indicator is far superior to a simple comparison of price and value because it is computed from an analysis of projected price appreciation 3 years out, AAA corporate bond rates, and risk. Safety. Relative safety RS very poor is an indicator of risk. INPX has an RS rating of 0.32, which is very poor on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. RS is computed from an analysis of the consistency and predictability of a company's financial performance, debt-to-equity ratio, sales volume, business longevity, price volatility and other factors. Timing. Relative timing RT very GOODRT analyzes a stock's price trend. INPX has a relative timing of 1.37, which is very good on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. RT is computed from an analysis of the direction, magnitude, and dynamics of a stock's price movements day over day, week over week, quarter over quarter and year over year. If a trend dissipates, RT will gravitate toward 1.00. Overall rating. Value safety timing VST FAIRVST is the master indicator for ranking every stock in the VectorVest database. INPX has a VST rating of 0.92, which is fair on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. VST is computed from the square root of a weighted sum of the squares of RV, RS, and RT. Stocks with the highest VST ratings have the best combinations of value, safety and timing. Stop price. 1.29 stop is an indicator of when to sell a position. INPX has a stop of $1.29 per share. A stock's stop is computed from a 13-week moving average of its closing prices and is fine-tuned according to the stock's fundamentals. CI, Comfort Index very poor C is an indicator which reflects a stock's ability to resist severe and/or lengthy price declines. INPX has a PSI rating of 0.25, which is very poor on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. PSI is based solely upon a stock's long-term price history. GRT, earnings growth rate. GRT reflects a company's 1 to 3 year forecasted earnings growth rate in percent per year. INPX has a forecasted earnings growth rate of -7.00%, which VectorVest considers to be very poor. EPS, earnings per share. EPS stands for leading 12 months earnings per share. INPX has a forecasted EPS of -$6.12 per share. VectorVest determines this forecast from a combination of recent earnings performance and traditional fiscal and/or calendar year earnings forecasts. PE, price to earnings ratio. PE shows the dollars required to buy $1 of earnings. INPX has a PE of -0.28. The average PE of all the stocks in the VectorVest database is 69.33. A, earnings yield. A reflects earnings per share as a percent of price. INPX has an A of -357.89%. This is below the current average of 1.44% for all the stocks in the VectorVest database. GPE, growth to PE ratio. INPX has a GPE rating of -25.05.